Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Rockstar Games on your Windows computer. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So the first thing you need to do is to open any browser and then just search for Rockstar. And this will take you to official Rockstar website. From here, click on the website and log in to your account to download. However, you can as well proceed without even logging in. Once you are on the homepage for Rockstar Games official website, which is this, go to Get Launcher, and from here you will be redirected to this download page. Here you can download Rockstar for Windows. You're told download and play the latest Rockstar Games PC titles. Now grab this by clicking on download for Windows, and this will begin automatic download, and you can see the progress is here. Now we have the game launcher or installer files. Click on the folder to open the file location, and here we have our Rockstar Game Launcher. Now you need to run this game launcher by just double clicking on it and confirm by clicking on OK. Then choose the language. So I'll go with English and click on continue here. Here is a welcome note. Click on continue and then accept the terms and condition of Rockstar. Then click on continue. Here you can change the file location or leave it to default, and this is the path. So this is where your game file will be located. However, it is important to check this, add a desktop shortcut so that you can easily launch or open the game on your desktop using the desktop shortcut. So make sure that this is checked, and you know that it is checked when it is yellow. From here, click on continue and be mindful that you will need at least to have 1 GB of free space. So I still have some space here, which means I have a go ahead to install it. I'll click on continue, and this will start running Rockstar Games installation wizard. Don't close this until you are done. And finally, look at that, I'm done. We have the desktop icon here for the game. I can now close this. Now from here, go ahead and launch the game by just double clicking on it, or you can right click on it and click on open to launch the game. And here we go, our game is being updated and launched. So that's how you can install Rockstar Games on your Windows computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.